Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn the post notifications so you don't miss a single video. We got a human hair wig from the TikTok shop, edge brush, wig caps, how to wash the wig, and leave a review. And get me my favorite melting bands, the one that comes pre-cut on the side without the ear pain. Yeah, 24 inches. Look at the body waves, y'all. It's been a while since I installed a human hair wig. Here is the frontal. It is a full 13x4, which I love. Just elastic band to it is made glueless, but I'm not doing that. Get 2 combs in the front, 1 in the middle, 1 in the back with adjustable straps. Pre-plucked hairline. I did not customize this wig at all. This is how you're gonna get it fresh out of the box. This hair is soft like butter. Yes, she real thick, y'all, which I love me a good thick body wave human hair wig. And on top of that, it is a full frontal. You barely get any shedding. You get 1 strand out of this wig.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end, coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Done run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out in parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might just scourge you. I'm geeked on next week, got no more features. I might embarrass you. Tag glow, stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Tag glow, slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. Tag glow, 2-tone Cartier, match the nails, hoe. Tag glow, no competition. My shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. Get low where you been at, mine. Everywhere I'm working hard. Maybach and G-Wagon truck, got M&M's in my garage. With the crank up on the hoe, you bitches better not get me started. Locked in with the gangsters and players, my folks don't keep it solid. Everything I got on new, it look like I got renovated. I'm cocky, bitch, when I was just humble, they didn't appreciate it. Young, wealthy, and ratchet, I'm the hood, bitches, motivation. On top of the world now, they tried to underestimate it. Get 'em glow, them bitches fraudulent, you know you the truth. Get 'em glow, stop overthinking, these hoes can't fuck with you. Get 'em glow, standing on business in these Chanel shoes. Before I let a hoe play with me, I'll go eat some jail food on gang glow. Stomp a little pussy, hoe, get some shell toes. Slapping rap bitches and making bail, hoe. 2-tone Cartier, match the nails, ho. No competition, these bitches fail, ho. Curbing, no curbing, my shit is layers, ho. Say they get money, but I can't tell, ho. Keep running circles around these snail, ho. And my shit bumping up in the jail, ho. And then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They know I'm a beast, I wait the giants up again. Once again, ran it up, I told her mama, shot in my DMs. I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again, then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Hurry up and let her in. I'ma take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She piss me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shot, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want.
Whenever she want, take her on the couch to the wherever she want. Take a 50 clipping. Boys doing shit is wrong. She that loves her attitude, she long away from. Hey, hey.
Fuck all your free